Namaste. Would like to discuss in this video that topic is tax collected sources under payment process in GST. What is TCS under GST? Tax collected at sources under GST means the tax collected by an e-commerce operator from the consideration received by it on behalf of the supplier of goods or services who makes supplies through operators online platform. TCS will be charged as a percentage on the net taxable supplies to be paid. Tax collected at sources is the tax payable by a seller which the collects from the buyer at the time of sale. Section 206C of the Income Tax Act governs the goods on which the seller has to collect tax from the purchasers. Tax collected at source stands for tax collected at source means we added scrap value plus GST 12% to arrive at the total sales value. Total invoice value is rupees 11,312. The second method is in GST case CAs have come out saying the total sale value should not consider the GST amount. Difference between TDS and TCS. The government of India collects both direct and indirect taxes to generate revenue for the country, while direct taxes apply to the income that individuals and corporators earn. Indirect taxes are imposed on the sale of goods and services. Tax deposition needs to be done by the assessees directly in the former, while the sellers collect and deposit taxes in the latter case. Tax deducted at source and tax collected at source are two such taxes levied on individuals that are often confused with each other. Tax collected at source. Tax collected at source is an extra amount collected as tax collected by a seller of specified goods from the buyers at the time of sale over and above the sale amount and is remitted to the government account. As per Income Tax Act 1961, certain persons being the sellers collected a specified percentage of tax below at the time of the receipt of amount from their buyers on such transact. Section 2% C of the Income Tax Act mentions the particulars of goods on sale of which tax needed to be collected from the purchasers. However, no collection of tax shall be made in case of a buyer who has furnished to the commissioner or chief commissioner a declaration that such goods are going to be used for his manufacturing purposes and not for trading purposes. Besides sale of goods, every person who enters into a agreement of lease, license or contract for parking lot, toll plaza or mining or quarrying will collect an amount as at 2% from such uh, parties as TCS. The person collecting tax has to obtain tax collection account number and the quote it in all challans, certificates and returns or all other documents pertaining to the transactions. The buyer shall turn his permanent account number to the seller. Failing, high tax shall be collected at the higher rate. Number 5. If the persons responsible for collection of TCS fails to collect or after collecting fails to pay, he shall be deemed to be an alias in default in respect of the tax and various consequences as per follows. Classifications of sellers and buyers for TCS. Under TCS enhancement, seller is defined as any of the following: central government, state government, local authority, statutory corporation or authority using the input tax credit available in the electronic credit ledger through the electronic cash ledger. Thank you.